Measuring for new drawer boxes can seem intimidating, but don't worry, here's how it's done. If you intend to reuse the slides you have, simply measure your current drawer box. If you are unable to get an accurate measurement due to damage, etc., look for an identical drawer box in your kitchen or bathroom and use that for your measurements. To change the drawer box and the slides, you will need to know which slides you would like. The Cabinet Door Store offers Bloom Tandem Undermount slides, as well as the KV8400 series. For heavy-duty operations, we offer the Bloom Movento. These measure the same way as the Bloom Tandem slides. Let's talk about the Bloom Undermount slides first. First off, remove your drawer box. Then, simply measure the height, width, and depth of the opening. From there, it's easy. Subtract 3/8 of an inch from the opening width. Please note that this is only if the sides of your drawer box are 5/8 of an inch thick, which is standard at the Cabinet Door Store. For height, subtract at least 7/8 of an inch, but feel free to subtract more if needed. For the depth, you must match the slide length to the depth of the drawer box. For example, if you have a 24-inch deep cabinet box, you'd use a 21-inch drawer slide and order the depth of the drawer box to be 21 inches. When ordering for the Bloom Undermount slides, be sure to select the rear notching to make installation easier. For the KV8400 series, start off the same. Remove your drawer box. Then, measure the height, width, and depth of the opening. But, for the side mount slides, you subtract 1 1/16 inch from the width, and you only need to subtract 1/2 an inch from the height, but again, feel free to subtract more if needed. For depth, choose a good depth based on the depth of your cabinet box, but be sure to give yourself some clearance in the back in case your cabinet boxes are out of square. Thank you for watching, and as always, be sure to like and subscribe for more.